This is elevator number 18 at St. Vincent Hospital in Erie, Pennsylvania. This was originally old Otis, but Sally was just known as by Otis. And core 19's the same as the 9s. They're on separate controllers. Again, resistor fixtures. Get to 9. Here we go. A little bitty elevators. Pretty fast. Bit shaky and creaky.
9th floor. Going down.
Jarl processing. Luckily door closes. Walk starts to show no trauma inside. Lower levels. That's right. But this one's done the right way, unlike the one elevator. It's basic stainless steel cup. I'm not sure if it's snap hammock or not. I think this is meant to like fit like bins or carts. This is a little big elevator. Rather interesting. 2,000 pounds. This goes a really nice speed though.
Lower level.
Here at lower level. This one's identical. I'm doing the same video because these are the exact same elevators.
Ninth floor. Going down.
It's the same basic stainless steel cab. This one the motor's a little louder, but not by much. Yeah, these elevators I believe are newly modernized as of 2022, so I just missed these unfortunately.
Lower level.
These are interesting little bitty elevators. It takes forever if you don't place a call and don't press door close. I guess it's the north elevators. Of course, it's not going to be it.